Hello friends! Thanks for watching the wowstick mini tutorial. In this video, we'll proudly present a working sample of the wowstick mini to you. We will unbox the wowstick mini standard version and show you what each part does. So let's get started. Here in the box, we can see a wowstick mini, a tube of 20 wow bits, a wow base, and a charging cable. Now let's take a close look at the wowstick mini itself. The wowstick mini comes in a pen-shaped design with an aluminum alloy housing and has a dark gray color. It's slim and sleek. With a diameter of only 16 millimeters and only 50 grams in weight, the wowstick mini is the world's most compact electric screwdriver. The ergonomically designed tightening and loosening buttons, along with the 3 built-in shadowless LED lights, make it really convenient to work with and will help boost your efficiency while it's working. The design of the base of the wowstick mini supports USB fast charging, and the built-in lithium battery lasts for up to 6 hours of continuous work. The separately designed wow base makes the wowstick mini a perfect desk tool or even a decorative accessory, which will match any desk. The standard version of the wowstick mini, demonstrated in this video, comes with the 20 most frequently used bits, including those used for screwing, drilling, and threading, and means it will meet all of the different work demands of daily life. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro repairman, you can upgrade to the Pro version, which has up to 56 bits. We call the wowstick mini an easy tool, meaning that it's super easy to change bits, even for kids. All you need to do is pull one bit out and insert another new one. Before we introduce the dual power, let's first take a look at the dual torque system. The wowstick has an auto self-locking ratchet wheel orientation with dual torque of 0.153 Nm. In its electric mode, we have upgraded the wowstick mini to a higher speed of 200 revolutions a minute. This key upgrade makes the wowstick mini turn faster and saves you a lot of time when screwing and unscrewing. The torque, which the electric mode produces, is sufficient for repairing small gadgets such as smartphones and laptops. The wowstick mini is designed to be a precise electric screwdriver and therefore is designed not to be as powerful as a power tool, so as to prevent small screws from stripping due to the high torque. Also, we highly recommend that DIY users set the torque level by hand, as you can then apply different amounts of force for the last few turns, based on different uses. Last but not least, we'd like to mention our patent design, the dual power. It's the most creative feature of the wowstick mini and is very similar to how a hybrid car works. In the electric mode, press and hold the button slightly and turn the wowstick mini back and forth. The screw will be tightened firmly. Also, you can use the same trick to loosen much bigger screws. Apart from the above-mentioned features, we provide a variety of accessories, such as the Wow Case Mini, which is a one-button automatic lift design that can store 7 different bits by using a magnetic lid. Then there is the Wow Case, which is a magnetic open toolbox with advanced elastic paint on the surface, which stores the wowstick and more. In addition, there is a magnetic pad used to hold the screws and bits, which is called the Wow Pad. What's more, we have also released our 1-year free Wow Care plan to our customers, which takes care of defective or damaged product replacement. For more information, please visit our website or our Kickstarter page or contact one of our distributors. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you'll love the wowstick mini.